Like most people, I live a busy life. Between working and trying to find time for myself, I waited too long to start thinking about investing my savings.
I was letting someone else manage my retirement, and I was tired of getting mediocre results. That's when I decided that I had enough and first discovered options.
Understanding the market can be challenging, but Option Strategies Insider has simplified the process, making it easy, even for someone with no trading experience, like myself.
Why would I put one of the most valuable assets I have in the hands of a stranger? No one is going to care more about my money than I am.
I can now rest easy, knowing my financial independence is on the fast track to success. I only wish I'd started making smarter decisions about my wealth years earlier.
I never imagined I would be handling my own finances, but Option Strategies Insider has allowed me to take back my financial independence by creating a step-by-step blueprint for understanding the market and the strategies needed for maximizing returns. I now have the tools, understanding, and fortitude to triumph in any market environment.
I only spend a few hours a week on trading, but it's the most profitable hours of my week, and now something I really enjoy and look forward to. Patience is key in building wealth, and I couldn't be happier that my long-term financial goals are now within my grasp. I wake up each day with a smile on my face, knowing I'm taking control of my financial future